In our last investigation, we decoded a brutal paradox. Why modern Chinese middle-class families, paralyzed by the fear of failure, systematically pull their children away from the chaotic gamble of professional soccer, choosing instead the hyper-predictable safety of test tubes and exam sheets. But cross the Pacific into the wealthy suburbs of New York, London, or Silicon Valley, and you will witness a complete reversal of reality. Here, the ultra-wealthy elites, the Wall Street hedge fund managers, the top-tier neurosurgeons, the corporate lawyers, are doing something that seems entirely irrational to the Eastern mind. They are not locking their children in study rooms. Instead, they are pouring tens of thousands of dollars a year and sacrificing every single weekend to force their kids to run wild on a soccer pitch. Why are the apex predators of Western capitalism treating world football not as a working-class distraction, but as a mandatory, grueling family mission? The answer isn't a sudden love for the beautiful game. It is because soccer has been quietly hijacked to become the ultimate invisible backdoor ticket into the world's most exclusive institutions, the Ivy League. Let us shatter a highly celebrated Western myth, the illusion of holistic education. For decades, elite Western universities have preached that they reject the raw, mechanical academic drilling of the East, claiming instead to seek well-rounded individuals with character, leadership, and athletic passion. But under the clinical gaze of socioeconomics, this holistic ideal reveals itself as a brilliant, malicious class filter. When academic perfection becomes a baseline commodity, where thousands of applicants boast perfect SAT scores and flawless GPAs, how do you filter out the ordinary middle-class strivers and the brilliant test-taking machines? You change the rules of the game. You mandate athletic recruitment. Ivy League coaches hold immense institutional slots that can bypass the brutal admissions lottery, skyrocketing a recruit's acceptance probability by up to 400%. By elevating a chaotic, time-consuming sport like soccer into the supreme admission currency, elite institutions successfully created a system where academic brilliance can easily be defeated by athletic privilege. But here lies the most explosive controversy. How did a sport born in the working-class industrial slums of England become an exclusive tool for the billionaire class? The answer is the systematic capitalization of youth sports, known as the pay-to-play matrix. To be scouted by Harvard or Yale, a child cannot simply play for a local public high school. They must be enrolled in elite, private, club travel teams. The financial barriers are engineered to be absolute. Between club tuitions, private elite coaching, high-tech biometric tracking, and the massive costs of traveling across the continent for exclusive showcase tournaments, the price tag easily reaches $15,000 to $20,000 per child every single year. This is not sports. It is an economic blockade. Lower-income minorities and working-class families are systematically priced out before the first whistle blows. Paradoxically, while ordinary middle-class parents sacrifice their savings chasing the illusion of athletic meritocracy, they are merely serving as financial fuel for an ecosystem designed from day one to reward the capital of the ultra-rich. Yet, the deepest discomfort of this system is not the admission ticket. It is the deliberate Darwinian conditioning of the next generation of rulers. Why do these billionaire parents want their children to endure fractured ankles, exhaustion, and intense physical trauma on the field? Because the soccer pitch is the ultimate corporate simulator. In the West, elite families suffer from a profound anxiety, the fear that their inherited wealth will make their children soft, lazy, and incapable of defending their class empire. Soccer is their antidote. On the grass, these children of privilege are subjected to a form of legal, physical violence. They are conditioned in structured aggression, cold-blooded team synchronization, and competitive resilience. They are learning how to dominate a chaotic environment, how to exploit an opponent's weakness under pressure, and how to bounce back from a crushing loss. It is a modern Spartan arena where the ruling class hardens its offspring, ensuring they possess the animal stamina required to command Wall Street boardrooms and maintain control over global capital. This is the hidden script of the global elite education warfare. While the Eastern middle class uses the fierce egalitarianism of standardized testing to secure a basic baseline of survival, the Western ruling class uses the hyper-capitalized arena of youth sports to lock in their ceiling of privilege. The soccer pitch has been effectively converted from a democratic space of working-class survival into a premium country club designed to inherit power. The wealthy did not just buy the university libraries, they bought the grass, the balls, and the very concept of merit. So as the comments section inevitably explodes into debate, ask yourself the final unsettling question: which system is truly fairer? The Eastern factory that grinds the soul through tests, or the Western playground that prices the poor entirely out of the stadium? Thank you for watching Culture Uncoded. Smash the subscribe button, drop a like, and fight it out in the comments below. We will see you in the next uncoding.